New England is full of places you'd never find on a map, and that's exactly what we're chasing. Over the next few trips, we're staying at Hipcamps all over the region, meeting with locals, hosts, cooking inside and out, and seeing what it's like to slow down and live simply, even if it's just for a night. All right, we're just rolling up to our Hipcamp, and this is absolutely breathtaking. We're going to be spending the night here, folks. This is awesome. All right, now it's just time to get camped together. Look at this view. Wow, that is awesome. We're gonna get the fire going before it gets dark, get our stuff set up, and enjoy. All right, first things first, let's get this fire started. I love this birch. This birch just takes a flame so quickly. Fire has started. I have got here in time before the sun sets and before the bad weather hits, and I'm really excited. Got the fire going. Scout's having a great time. This view is unbelievable. We got this whole lake in front of us. We got a nice pitch with electric. Unbelievable. And water. There's a spigot over there. So just gonna hang out, chill out, enjoy this view, and just really take in this Hipcamp, because I think there's going to be bad weather moving through much later on, and I just wanted to really enjoy this. Maybe even get the drone out. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But got a great fire going right now. This is my game plan for dinner tonight. I'm just going to do a slow cook beef stew. I am cheating a little bit tonight because I'm using 2 cans of potato and steak soup, and then I'm gonna grill up these. Well, not really grill. I'll probably just saute these in the crock pot as I, as I start the meal, and then I'll dice up the potatoes and add that, then the celery. And then I'll add the soups last, but I got some extra beef broth just to kind of thicken it or thin it, depending on what's needed at the time. So. Alright, let's take these potatoes out. It sounds like the fire is crackling. And then we'll put the lid back on for a beat. Back up to the van. It's about 33 degrees right now, but things are looking good. It is just about, let's see, it's 5:18, so it's still pretty early. Oop, excuse me, Scout. Scout's checking out what's going on too. All right, folks, back to the cooking. Alright, time to take the extra celery that I'm going to add to the campfire. It's gorgeous. So far we have good clear skies. It hasn't clouded over. I think we're supposed to get a little snow later, but it's looking really good. Stir it just a little bit. It's hard to, you can see it. I'm just going to add the celery. Just give it, put the lid on it. Oh, so hey everybody, so my stew came out really well. It's gotten so cold outside. I think it's 33 or 32 right now and dropping. Waiting for the northern lights, hopefully. Starting to get a little cloudy, so I'm not sure if we'll get to see it or not, or some shooting stars or something. So trying to get that hopefully in before the clouds come. The clouds come around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and then it's just going to snow. We're in a good spot. We have electric, we have heat. I just made this huge pot of stew, which is really good, but I've just kind of devolved to cheese. I got some chunky bread right here that I've been eating. So cheese, bread, stew, mouth. Cheese, bread, stew, mouth, repeat. But I love Swiss cheese. So anyway, that's what's going on here. Fire's going great out there. I keep popping in and out just to check on it. But pretty soon I know the weather's going to turn out there, so I got to bring in the seat and all that good stuff. But turn the van on, kind of heat things up a little bit in here. It was getting a little chilly. Scout's a little chilly. So just keeping it warm, watching some YouTube, having a great time. That's what's going on right now. Alright, so far we are just hanging out. I say we, Scout and I, but just came out here. Just keeping the fire going until, maybe like 10 or so. It's about 7:50 right now, so wanted to keep the fire going till about 10 and then let it kind of go out so I can see the stars. I think the weather's not going to move through until midnight, so that's what's going on right now. Just kind of hunkering down in the van because it's warmer in there, and thankfully this Hipcamp has electric, so I can connect into their electric panel there and just run all the creature comforts that are keeping Scout and I warm in there, which I really appreciate. I don't know if you can see the van from here, but we're on a really good pitch and pointed in the right direction in case it does snow more than an inch or two. We could at least get out of there and drive forward, so that's good. But just coming out here to enjoy this awesome fire. Alright, gonna settle back down and watch some TV, stoke the fire a little bit more outside, and then let things kind of simmer down and see if we can see the northern lights, or maybe like a shooting star because of the meteor shower. We're going to give it a shot, but stay tuned. Alright everybody, time to see what snow looks like out here. Whoa. I'd say we got a couple inches, maybe like 2 inches, maybe an inch. Yeah, sure does look pretty. A little bit of a nap, went back to sleep for about an hour. Just came out here, just enjoying the view. Scout. Come on, Scout. I need some coffee first. Need to wake up and drink up. right, folks, we're all loaded up. It was a little dicey driving up that hill to get out, but I'm really pleased that we were able to get out in one piece and not get stuck. So I'm gonna go head out somewhere to grab some lunch. You guys know what to do. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that notification bell just so you know when I have new content coming out, and leave me a comment. Love to hear from you. Until next time, safe travels and safe camping. Alright, now we're back on a normal road. That was a dirt road back there. So, we should be good.